Hey all, this is Tansiha. Welcome to DA Solutions. In today's video, I will be showing you progressive invoicing feature. So before getting into the video, let's check what progressive invoicing are. Progressive invoicing in Zoho Books allow you to invoice customers for a percentage or specific amount of a quote rather than the full amount upfront. This feature is useful for projects or services where payments are made in installments. This approach splits the total agreed upon price into several payments, helping several businesses maintain cash flow throughout the project. This method helps you avoid financial strains and keeps both the business and the customer on the track. So let's check how to enable progressive invoice and generate the same in Zoho Books. For that, under sales setting, go to quotes. Before enabling progress invoicing feature, you have to confirm that the method to automate accepted quote to invoice conversion is chosen as don't convert accepted quotes automatically. Once this option is selected, you have to enable progress invoice. Save this settings to enable progressive invoicing in Zoho Books. So let's check how to generate progressive invoicing. For that, click on quotes under sales module. I will explain the process through an example. So to create a new quote, click on new button, choose the customer from the list. Choose the service you want to create the quotation. Here the rate reflects as 3,50,000. I am creating the quote and send this to the customer. Once the customer accepts this quote, you have two options, either to convert this quote into sales order or to invoice. So if you are converting the quote into sale order, then you cannot generate progress invoicing against this quote. So to generate progress invoicing, you have to choose convert to invoice. So when you click those options, there will be three methods available, either to invoice the entire quote amount or to invoice a custom amount or percentage to the total amount. If I am providing 25% to the total amount, then here the amount shows what amount will be invoiced. And if I am choosing it as rupees, the rupees amount will be listing over here. Then there is another option to invoice the custom amount for against each line item. So I am choosing the second option over here. Once you click on next button, it directs to the invoice creation under sales module and all the data will be auto loaded over here. Here you can see the amount to be invoiced and total amount of the quotation is 3,50,000, but to be invoiced is 87,500. Once I have generated the invoice, when you go to quotes, you can see that this quotation is partially invoiced. So if you want to get to know more about this quotes, that is how many part of the quotes have you been invoiced. So for that, you just disable this show PDF view. So there you can see the total invoiced amount, balance to be invoiced and the total quote amount. Okay. Then under reports, there is receivable. Over there, you can see progress invoice summary. So from there, the data will be listing over here and it shows the quote amount, the percentage of invoiced amount and the invoiced amount, then rest balance amount. So you have the option to filter it date wise. You will get today's and there is an option to run the report for 1 month, 1 week, and even you can custom the period also. And also you can export this report in PDF and Excel format. Also you can share this report with other Zoho Book users also of the same organization. So hope you understood about progressive invoicing. Thank you. See you soon in the next video. Have a good day.